Alright, y'all, I'm about to make my dressing mix. I got about 2 pounds of ground beef right there. I got about a pound of ground pork. I got a container of Savoi dressing mix. I think that's maybe 6 ounce. I think. This is all my seasonings: green onion, bell pepper, onion, parsley, and stuff like that. Alright, let me do this process. Got my pot heating up. Be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm in the pot. Let's brown this down. You hear that sizzle? That means the pot ready. I'm adding this ground meat in there. I'll break it up in a few minutes. That's my ground beef. Alright, let's add this ground pork. It's gonna be a lot of dressing mix, but you can always freeze it for later. Okay, that's on 1 pound of pork. Alright. Y'all see it? Let's brown it down. Be right back. Alright, y'all. It has browned down. I'm about to pour this grease off and add the Savoi dressing mix. Alright. Alright, got it in my strainer, letting that grease drip off. Now we're finna go back to that pot and we're finna saute down the vegetables. Alright, y'all, my pot is sizzling hot. Let's add some onion. So, 1 onion. That's it. Red and green bell pepper. See what else I got here. Onion, red and green bell pepper. Let me add some. Saute this down. Okay, my onions and bell peppers and things are sauteing down. I'm about to add this parsley in here. I'm about to add my parsley. And I'm about to add my Savoi dressing mix. Come on. There we go. Now go that Savoi. Alright. Y'all see that? Gonna let this cook down. Then we're gonna add our cream of celery, cream of mushroom. And we're gonna add back our brown pork ground meat and beef ground beef. Beef ground meat, whatever. Alright, y'all, my Savoi dressing mix and onion and green onion and bell pepper, all that is sauteed down. Now I'm gonna add back the pork and beef ground meat. Hope I'm in the pot. There we go. I'm not wasting that, huh, y'all? I better not be. There we go. Alright, add that back in the pot. Then we're gonna add all the rest of the good stuff. And I season myself towards the end. That way I never over season my mix. Alright, let me get this together. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna sprinkle a little Cajun season in there. A little Tony Sassery. A little onion powder. What else I got here? Some onion powder. And some McCormick seasoning salt. Just a little bit. Alright. That's what I start with. Alright. Bear with me now because I'm recording and doing everything in one hand. I'm going to add 1 can of celery. Cream of celery. 1 can of cream of mushroom. Alright. And after this, I'm going to add me some chicken broth. And we're going to let it cook down for about 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes at most. Alright. Let these flavors come together. Y'all see that? All right, let me stir this in. All right, that's it so far. Excuse me. Now let me add about a cup or two of homemade chicken stock that I made. Let me feel the consistency of this. Disregard that last word I just said. Okay. Yeah, that's about enough. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes and it'll be ready to mix with the rice. Alright. See there? I'm not a blind man just learning how to cook. I'm a blind man that already knew how to cook before I went blind. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. There go my dressing mix. It is ready. And I'm about to add the rice to it. There we go. Be right back. Alright, y'all. I got the dressing mix in the rice. And there goes Zeke's rice dressing. Alright. Bye.